Hello, this is Alex. Welcome back to Banging Your Head Until the Right Answer Comes Out. Alright, so we showed in the previous video how to set the account alias, and now we're going to show how to set the password policy. You know, when I think about some of the things that I'm showing on these videos, and as I watch them on Plural site, definitely a great site to do a lot of learning, I find that a lot of this stuff is remarkably easy. So we just need to go back to our console here. And if you go to IAM, seems a little small. All right, and you go to account settings over here. You see that? And then we click on set password policy. But before I do that, I just want to mention something really quick here. There was this guy, his name's somewhere in this article, Bill Burr. Here we go, Bill Burr. And he needed to come up with the standards for writing passwords. Unfortunately, you know, when you start something new that doesn't exist before, you start from a position of ignorance. My 3D printer is making some odd sounds. So anyway, it's about how he regrets that he gave us these ridiculous rules to make passwords. All I really want to say, and this is Gizmodo's story here on Bill Burr, all I really want to say is that passwords need to be longer, not shorter. And they don't have to be super complex because the computer doesn't care if it's super complex. So we're going to click on Set Password Policy, and I'm going to make this 25. I don't care if it's all letters or, all these things. And in fact, based on some of the new subjects out there, if you have a suitably long password, you never have to expire it unless it gets exposed somehow. So we're going to go down here, we're going to click Save Changes. Now, we'll see what happens, but this will probably mean that I'll have to change my password on some of my existing accounts. But that's all there is to it, to setting your password policy, and just a little bit of information about setting an appropriate policy. And please don't torture your users with special symbols, numbers, capital letter, small letter. Just make it something long that's not a quote from a book or anything like that. And, give it a run. All right. Thank you.